Here are 7 souls you can channel to learn just about anything. 1. A math mentor. Explain the Pythagorean theorem with a real-world example as the soul of Pythagoras. Gain insights into geometric principles directly from the originator of the theorem. 2. A philosophy mentor. Discuss the concept of existentialism as the soul of Albert Camus. Understand existentialist philosophy from one of its key proponents. 3. A writing mentor. Help me improve the structure of this essay on climate change as the soul of Rachel Carson. Enhance writing skills with guidance from the author of Silent Spring. 4. A language mentor. Teach me basic phrases in French as the soul of Victor Hugo. Learn French from the renowned author of Les Miserables. 5. A science mentor. Explain the process of photosynthesis as the soul of Charles Darwin. Explore biological processes with insights from the father of evolutionary theory. 6. A history mentor. Describe the causes and effects of World War II as the soul of Winston Churchill. Understand World War II from the perspective of the British Prime Minister during the war. 7. A coding mentor. Help me write a Python script to sort a list of numbers as the soul of Ada Lovelace. Get programming assistance inspired by the first computer programmer. Now you're pretty much Thanos. Just remember, with great power comes great responsibility.